Yo, living life like it's 4 p.m. at the Cap. Word to Slim Thug on 4 swingers in the dap. Shine on my vessel, got my stature in the rap. Yo, living life like it's 4 p.m. at the Cap. Word to Slim Thug on 4 swingers in the dap. Shine on my vessel, got my stature in the rap.
So, how's it going? It's your boy, Marley Andretti, back with a review for you over, let's see if it puts it into focus, my favorite drink, Poca'S bubble tea, made in Taiwan, honeydew melon flavored, like I said, bubble tea. Take a moment, look at it. I got this at my local corner store. I don't know any other place that sells this. So, if you can find this, bubble tea. Like I said, I bought every can in the store over the last 3 days. Like 6 cans, 5 cans, 8 cans. I want them all. That's how good this is. Honeydew melon is my favorite fruit. And I love honeydew melon. And if you just like bubble tea, to me, it's just worth trying. Only has 267 calories, 43 grams of sugar, 9 grams of trans fat. Has potassium and calcium in it. So just very, very good. It's not for everybody if you don't like the kind of more milkier type of texture. And then plus it has tapioca pearl balls in it. So please be warned for the elderly or children under 3. Risk of a choking hazard because you'll be drinking it to the end and it'll kind of roll into your mouth. That may not be for everybody, but still, you need to try this. Excuse me. Take a sip. Poca'S bubble tea. Honeydew melon flavored with tapioca pearl balls. Get it if you can. Until the next review, I'm out.